Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi A3 Sportback 35 TFSI S-Line. Now this particular example is also finished in the optional Navara blue metallic paintwork and does feature the S-tronic automatic transmission. Moving on now, looking at the key features, this being the S-Line trim level, does mean this vehicle benefits from the additional chrome styling around the vehicle, such as the window surrounds and the exhaust tips, which should contrast against the blue paintwork. Moving on now and looking at the key external features, we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we do find these fantastic 5-spoke satin aluminium alloys, and they do really complement that lovely blue paintwork, as well as contrasting against those satin aluminium counterparts. To the side of this A3 there is the rear privacy glass, which does keep most rear occupants in view, so as continuing the overall contrast. Now moving into the rear boot space of the A3 Sportback, where we do find up to 380 litres of storage space. This is a large amount for a Sportback of this size. This can easily accommodate one larger suitcase, as well as a few additional bags, and the boot floor is also adjustable. Moving into the rear seats, and with this being the S-Line model, does mean you get a full leather interior with the additional white stitching. There is even a leather centre armrest, which is folded down to present 2 useful cup holders, as well as the Isofix points located across the back row, where there's more than enough flex space here to accommodate 3 in the rear. Moving into the front cabin now, we do find a traditional Audi interior with a host of high quality materials such as leather, aluminium, plastics and gloss black. With this being the S-Line model, it does mean you do get these full leather seats with the Audi Sport S logos. Above now we find a virtual cockpit, in which is featured the 2 digital rev counters. Then when pressing the view button on the left hand side, you can change the view of this overall display. To the centre of the dashboard now we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which has also featured the satellite navigation, and this is where you can access your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months of roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.